Hey everyone, Olivia here, and welcome back to Dwayne's Simple Good Health. Today we're all about simple ways to boost your well-being, and I'm excited to share 5 incredible plants that can make a real difference in how you feel. We're not talking about some rare, hard-to-find ingredients here. These are everyday heroes you can easily find at your local grocery store, and the best part? You can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Let's dive in and discover the power of these simple plants. First up, we've got spinach, a true superstar in the plant world. You might remember it as Popeye's secret weapon, and for good reason. Spinach is packed with iron, a mineral that's crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body, giving you that energy boost to power through your day. Feeling sluggish? Spinach to the rescue. But that's not all. This leafy green is also a fantastic source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports a healthy immune system. And we all know how important it is to keep our immune system strong, right? Think of vitamin C as your body's defense team, fighting off those nasty invaders that can make you feel run down. Now, you don't need to eat spinach by the bucket load like Popeye to reap the benefits. Try adding a handful to your smoothies, omelets, or salads. You can even sauté it with some garlic for a simple and delicious side dish. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Next up is garlic, a small but mighty ingredient that's been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. I'm sure you've all used garlic in your kitchen, but did you know it can do wonders for your heart health? Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been linked to lowering blood pressure and reducing bad cholesterol levels. And when it comes to your heart, those are 2 things you definitely want to keep in check. But garlic's benefits don't stop there. Remember how we talked about vitamin C and spinach being great for your immune system? Well, garlic is also a fantastic source of vitamin C, giving your body that extra layer of defense. Plus, it has antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a powerful ally during cold and flu season. So, how can you incorporate more garlic into your diet? It's simple. Add it to your stir-fries, soups, or sauces. Please don't forget to show some love to Dwayne's Simple Good Health. Let's talk about ginger, a root that's renowned for its distinct flavor and incredible health benefits. For centuries, ginger has been used in traditional medicine to aid digestion and soothe upset stomachs. Ever feel that uncomfortable bloating or nausea after a meal? Ginger can be your new best friend. It helps to relax the muscles in your digestive tract, easing discomfort and promoting healthy digestion. Ginger is also a powerful anti-inflammatory, which means it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. We're talking about the kind of inflammation that can lead to joint pain, muscle soreness, and even some chronic diseases. And let's not forget about ginger's unique flavor. It adds a zesty kick to stir-fries, soups, and smoothies. You can also enjoy it in its simplest form as a soothing cup of ginger tea. Now let's move on to turmeric, the golden spice that's been making waves in the health world. Turmeric gets its vibrant yellow color from a powerful compound called curcumin, which is a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants, if you remember, are like superheroes that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various health problems. Curcumin in turmeric not only fights off these free radicals, but also has incredible anti-inflammatory properties. We're talking about reducing inflammation throughout the body from your joints to your gut. So, how can you add more turmeric to your life? It's easy. Sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, add it to your smoothies, or make yourself a warm cup of golden milk before bedtime. Last but not least, we have mint, a refreshing herb that not only tastes amazing, but also offers a range of health benefits. Mint is known for its soothing effect on the digestive system. It can help to relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. That feeling of fullness and discomfort after a meal? Mint to the rescue! It works by relaxing the muscles in your digestive tract, allowing food to pass through more easily. But mint's benefits go beyond digestion. It can also help to freshen your breath, clear your sinuses, and even boost your mood. The invigorating aroma of mint can have an uplifting effect on your senses, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. So how can you enjoy the goodness of mint? Add fresh mint leaves to your water, smoothies, or salads. So there you have it, 5 simple plants that can make a world of difference to your health. And the best part is that they're so easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, you don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start small. Add a handful of spinach to your next meal, sprinkle some turmeric on your roasted vegetables, or enjoy a cup of soothing ginger tea. Small changes can make a big difference to your health. Until next time, stay healthy and keep it simple. Thanks for watching.